They thought you'd always be there, didn't they? You gave them endless chances and stood beside them through storms they caused. They took for granted your silence, your presence, and your love. But what if the strongest response isn't revenge, tears, or begging? What if the ultimate way to make them feel the pain of losing you is found in the ancient wisdom of Stoicism? Today, I'll reveal 10 powerful Stoic ways to make your absence echo louder than your presence ever did. Stay till the end, because these powerful Stoic truths will haunt them, not to hurt them, but to show them what they let go. Let's get started. 1. Embrace detachment with grace, not anger. Detachment isn't cold, it's clarity. When you detach, you don't stop caring, you stop controlling. Stoicism teaches us to love without clinging, to give without expecting. According to Marcus Aurelius, man should accept whatever happens to him because it is part of his destiny. That includes people who choose to leave. Embracing detachment means allowing others the freedom to go, while you remain rooted in your peace. It's grace, not bitterness, that defines you. You give up trying to get attention or get closure. You recognize that your value isn't tied to someone's presence or absence. You love fully, but let go freely. That's strength. That's peace. And when they realize you didn't beg, didn't break, didn't cling, that's when it hits. You didn't detach to prove a point. You detached because your inner peace became non-negotiable. And that kind of grace, it's unforgettable and deeply haunting to lose. 2. Elevate. In silence, don't announce your glow-up, just do it. While they expect tears, rise quietly. Your progress will echo in places they never thought to look. Stoicism placed more emphasis on living out one's philosophy than on elucidating it. Let your actions become your response. Start reading more, working out, healing, creating. Their memory of you will clash with the person you're becoming, and that contrast will hurt. Because while they remain the same, you're becoming someone beyond their reach. Your silence becomes the greatest transformation. The pain hits hardest when they realize you didn't just leave, you evolved. That new version of you, it no longer fits their old world. Your success isn't revenge, it's self-respect. You're not trying to win them back. You're demonstrating to yourself your independence, and they'll feel every ounce of it. 3. Set boundaries like a wall. The strongest message you can send is a boundary they can't cross. Don't give them the privilege of checking in or returning casually. Once you've left, lock the door. Being the guardian of one's own tranquility is emphasized by Stoicism. Boundaries are not punishment, they're protection. The more unavailable you become, the more valuable you appear. The regret arises when they realize they no longer have the power to disrupt your calm. Don't explain your distance. Don't justify your silence. Let your boundaries speak for you. They're not used to a version of you that says no and means it. And when they reach for you and feel nothing but stillness, that's when they truly feel the pain. A boundary is not just a line, it's your new standard. 4. Don't retaliate. Rise. They expect you to lash out, to get bitter, to prove a point. But you don't need revenge. You need redirection. Seneca emphasized the importance of healing rather than seeking revenge from those who have wronged us, highlighting the unexpected response of self-growth. The most unexpected response is self-growth. While they talk about you, build silently. While they gossip, level up. Show only evidence of evolution, not retaliation. Turn your pain into power. When they realize they've lost someone who refused to stoop to their level, that's when regret crashes in. They'll wonder why you didn't fight back, but your progress is your answer. You didn't need to destroy them to win. You just needed to outgrow them. And when you're out of reach, living your best life, the pain of losing you becomes unbearable. 5. Find joy without them. The deepest form of peace is smiling with no one to impress. You blossomed when they thought you would disintegrate, and that hurts. Stoicism teaches us your happiness is within you, not tied to anyone. Marcus Aurelius asserted that happiness is largely within one's own self-perception. So rediscover what makes you come alive. Travel, laugh, build new memories. When they scroll and see your glow, your joy, your life without them, it burns quietly, not because you're flaunting, but because you no longer need them to smile. You're not performing, you're living. And the realization that they no longer complete you, that's where the pain hits hardest. You've become someone who doesn't just survive without them, but thrives. Your joy is your power. Use it fully. 6. Stop explaining, start evolving. You don't owe them explanations. When someone chooses to misunderstand you, no amount of clarity will change their mind. Stoicism advises against revealing oneself to others, as it may not be appreciated by those who love you and may not be accepted by those who hate you. Let your evolution do the talking. Focus on your next chapter, not their confusion. Every time you feel the urge to text or justify, pause and build. Grow quietly. Build your routine. Upgrade your circle. Soon your life becomes the answer they never deserved. They grow more interested the less you speak. The more you evolve, the more they regret. Don't correct the narrative. Create a new one. In the end, they'll see. But by then, you'll be too far gone to care. And that silence, it's everything. 7. Forgive. Without reconnecting. Forgiveness is for you, not for them. According to the Stoics, bitterness is a poison that one drinks in the hopes that the other person perishes. Forgiveness is a personal choice and should not be based on what others deserve. But here's the twist. You can forgive them and still never speak again. You can let go, wish them well, and keep walking. That confuses people. They expect either anger or reunion, but you give them neither, just kindness and distance. Seneca once asserted that the most effective method of managing anger is to delay it. And once that delay leads to indifference, forgiveness flows naturally. Let them feel the weight of being forgiven but excluded. That hurts more than rage ever could. You've outgrown them, and they know it. 8. Outgrow their energy. You're not who you were, and that's your power. What used to trigger you no longer even moves you. You don't match their chaos because you've outgrown it. Seneca advised to continuously learn how to live as long as one lives. Learn to rise above their pettiness. Let your growth be the loudest reply. When they act out and you stay calm, they feel it. When they provoke and you don't respond, they feel it. Outgrowing someone isn't pride, it's protection. You've elevated past the level where their drama can reach you. And when they finally recognize your peace, it stings. Because they expected you to stay broken, but now you're unreachable. And nothing feels more painful than losing access to someone who was once so available. Keep rising quietly. 9. Master the art of calm detachment. People expect reactions, but Stoicism teaches response over reaction. Be the calm in the storm. According to Stoicism, a sensible man is one who does not become upset over things that shouldn't make him angry. When they try to bait you, let the bait hang. Your refusal to engage becomes powerful. Detachment doesn't mean coldness. It means control. You decide what to display, but you experience everything. Stay grounded. Breathe deeply. Move slowly. When they realize they no longer control your emotions, the game ends. They lost the control, not because you lashed out, but because you leveled up emotionally. That stillness, that poise, it unnerves them. They can't manipulate what they can't provoke. Be the calm they never expected. That's when the pain of losing you begins. 10th, let time be your witness. You don't have to prove anything. Just keep growing and let time handle the rest. Marcus Aurelius argued that time is a perpetual stream of events, with things being brought to light and swept away by them. Time reveals everything. Keep building, keep rising, keep healing. Eventually they'll see the full picture, that they lost someone who wasn't bitter, just better. Time makes them miss the comfort they took for granted. Your kindness, your consistency, your love. Your value becomes more apparent the longer you are away. They'll remember, often in silence, how you loved them. And they'll ache because what they lost can't be replaced. So don't rush. Let time do what time does best. Reveal the truth they were too blind to see. Remember, this isn't about being petty. It's about choosing strength over suffering, tranquility over mayhem, and development over loss. You don't win by hurting them. You win by healing you, by becoming untouchable, unshaken. If you found strength or clarity in this video, give it a like. It helps more people find this message. And subscribe for more Stoic wisdom to strengthen your spirit. Remember, the pain of losing you will hit them hard. When they realize they can never reach the new you again, stay calm, stay grounded, stay unbothered. Thanks for watching.